Guys, hello everyone. You're welcome to my channel where I discuss everything about earning income on the online space. Now, the YouTube initially was set up in February 14, 2005 to share videos. It's like a video sharing platform that is used in sharing videos and all that. But later it grew to become a worldwide platform where people of different profession can use to showcase their products and entertain people. And also majorly, it has now become a medium through which you can earn income for yourself. Are you a fashion designer? Are you a teacher? Are you an entrepreneur? Are you a banker? Are you a financial advisor? Whatever you do, whatever profession you are into, are you a religious person that you are into religion and all that? Please make use of the YouTube to showcase what you do and have a wider coverage. Because presently, out of over 5 billion internet users, the YouTube has over 2.3 billion users the world over. So it's a very wide coverage through which you can showcase your product, you can reach a larger audience and make use of the internet to earn income for yourself. So what are you waiting for? Start making use of the internet, YouTube right now, the YouTube platform, and reach a wider coverage. Subscribe for more on my channel, where I talk about finance, stocks, investment, bonds, derivatives, and different online investment platforms through which you can earn income for yourself. If you find this video very useful, please subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share my videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.